What's the meaning of brooch? Brooch. Brooch.
Brooch. Brooch. A brooch is a decorative jewelry item that is typically pinned to clothing, often worn to enhance the style or appearance of an outfit. Brooches come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, ranging from simple and understated to ornate and elaborate. They can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, glass, plastic, and precious stones. Brooches can be worn by both men and women and can be used to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit. Overall, brooches are versatile and timeless pieces of jewelry that have been popular for centuries.